We should be with the nature, inside or outside. If I stay outside, same birds, same plants, same environment, same breeze will be there outside. Like that, I am there inside. I don't have a definition for home. I just have this. Namaskar. I am Romesh.
I am Lata.
You are watching us in Homeline Originals, inside beautiful homes. Welcome home. 5:30 they start. 1, 2 sound will come and immediately everybody start chirping. They prepare so that I also will get, clean the face, brushing and ready for the yoga. My garden has the volume, especially internal garden. Usually they don't keep the double height. Double height is must. For that is one. Screen of almost 16 feet wide, 9 feet size screen. In front of 20 feet away there is a jacuzzi, so you can watch movie. Other members will be sitting either side, and the birds is there. So that is one special place. And especially having a jula of 20 feet height is there. No? Myself and my grandson, especially we spend time in a jula. It is very comfortable for us. It's a very lovely place. My native is near Chikmagalur. There one person will be having 500 acre, 1000 acre, that kind of owners they are. For us, because of a teacher's son, we was not having any restriction to go anywhere. We used to climb mountains, water, river there. So we should be with the nature, inside or outside. I am not disconnected. If I stay outside, same birds, same plants, same environment, same breeze, same rain will be there outside. Like that, I am there inside. So here I made this house in a slopey area. That is why when I completely built, it become a level of the road almost. So you get down from my house, like you are coming from the terrace to my house, and you meet the Kalyani. That is a Vaisala kind of a Kalyani. Why I made that is, water under this Kalyani effect and this temple character brings the people a cool and normal life. That tamasa guna will go, shanta guna will come. So in that peace state they should enter my house. I used very cheapest quota stone. It is at that time it is 35 rupees square feet, and everywhere it is a like RCC building, and this is all covered by plywood and like a jungle wood, this thing. And that is also stone. That is not a stone pillar. That is made by concrete. I used all easy methods, but my house looking spacious because no walls here. Everyone feels it is a too big house. No, it is just a 16 by 16 living. This is for this 16, this side 8 feet it looks, that side almost another double 16 and 8, and this is 25 feet. Looks as our own place. That is why it looks like a mansion kind of a. Otherwise, this is size of the house. If you think it is a very normal sizes, and everywhere open is there. There are 3 layers. There is a water, shelter, and a garden. 3 layer. Water reflects the character of house lady. She invites. The job of giving a shelter is a guy, and this reflects garden and birds or children. There are 3 layers of house. But here city, we need a security for every reason. I don't want to make a grill in front of my eyes like jail kaidi. So what I made is, I made the grill at the compound level itself. Those grills are covered by vertical gardens. So you don't feel the security is doing there. And there itself is a mosquito net is there. Above in the garden area also there is a mosquito net. So it is something like a part of a greenhouse. So natural breeze without disturbing entering. Sunlight is there, and even volume you feel, and water is there, and wherever you sit you can talk in every corner of house. Sitting in a garden you can talk to the dining area. Sitting in a theater you can experience the theater, and remaining people will be sitting here and there. When it is raining, it is still more fun. By evening, if you get a rain, you can have a shoot. So it is very wonderful seeing all around rainy and breeze. So literally, you are staying in an open space somewhere. One mantapa is there. You are standing below the mantapa. Like that you feel. Yeah, definitely I can say that it rains in my living area. See, in our village, another one important point I'll tell you. Every house used to have a back garden. We call it Kannadadalli Hitlu. That was a real family place, especially city people. Back garden, they feel it as a utility. Kitchen washing area, they say. They never treat it as a good place. Whoever comes, friends. Finally, after seeing all my house, they reach there, They settle there itself. They go to one jula, another one sitting area. They sit. They say, what, we have to go? Like that they feel. That is actually positive vibe. Family means it's not just husband and wife. It is everyone. Their family and our family. And my daughter, our family. These all should stay together. Then only this kind of house will feel filled and live. Otherwise, it will be a dull otherwise. That is, the environment makes family happy, smile, and even house looks beautiful with the smile faces. I always say, don't blindly follow. Do your house as you dream. Mane, mane, nammane. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೂಕನಂತೆ ಸಲಹುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ನೆರಳೆ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ತೂಗಿದಂತೆ ಜುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮೂಕನಂತೆ ಸಲಹುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ. ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಒಲ್ಮೆಯ ಅಚ್ಚುಮಚ್ಚು ಬೆಚ್ಚನೆಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಭರಿತ ಭಾವನೆ. ನಮ್ಮನೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ.